Yeah.
It should stop raining in the next 10 to 15 minutes.
What you want, kitty?
Good skin lotion.
What do you want?
I need some hour moisture.
Huh? What's the matter?
My legs and my face.
What's the matter? Amber. I don't have a treat for you. I'm sorry. I'm
Okay.
sorry. I don't have treats for you.
Alright. I assume so.
Ah. Come on, girl. Come on. Can you jump? Jump down?
Just
Jump down?
stay there.
Oh, that's the most I've seen her look like. She's just, it's hard to really get her in a good video. Are you ready to jump down? Come on. She'll jump from there to there. Come over here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Go ahead. Woo! Now where are you gonna go? Hi, now where are you gonna go?
So good.
You're such a good little kitty. All right.